High above the Earth's surface, a jetliner thrusts through the sky by using its critical source of power, a turbofan engine. A turbofan is a super-powered engine that works under extreme pressure by pulling in air and burning fuel. The hot gases from the spent fuel expand to create thrust, which propels the plane forward. But that's a traditional turbofan. This is the new GEnx. By putting imagination to work and using advanced technologies and engineering, the GEnx will operate at lower noise levels and produce fewer emissions than any other commercial production engine in its category. You're about to take an adventure inside the jet engine of the 21st century. The GEnx's massive carbon fiber fan spins at an astounding speed of 42 revolutions per second, pulling in vast amounts of air. Most of this air is released as thrust, but 10% is pulled into the core of the engine, the compressor. In the compressor, discs of spinning blades increase the air pressure by 23 times, the equivalent to being 700 feet underwater. Traveling at 400 miles per hour, this high-pressure air rushes into an area called the combustion chamber, where it will be mixed with a stream of jet fuel. The fuel in the combustor ignites, creating a scorching hot flame that sends the temperature skyrocketing to 1700 degrees centigrade. This combustor's novel design ensures it always burns with exceptional efficiency, all the while staying below all emissions requirements. The superheated exhaust gases are now about to force their way into the final section of the engine, the turbine. These incredibly hot gases move through the turbine blade stages, creating both thrust and the power to drive the main fan and compressor. And it's that huge spinning fan that generates most of the engine's thrust, as well as drawing even more air into the engine to keep it working in a continual cycle. GE is a worldwide partner of the Olympic Games and a leader in the design, manufacture and testing of jet engines for both civil and military aircraft. Imagine, an aircraft with engines made by GE and its partners takes off every 3 seconds. GE will continue this commitment to new jet engine technology with annual R&D investments of more than $1 billion. GE's aviation business employs 24,000 people at more than 20 plants around the world. We hope you've enjoyed this insight into the future.